Hi, good morning.
Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur.
Look, today is Sunday. And it's family day. It's Sunday. And we miss eat lechon. I'll show you how to prepare a lechon belly homemade. And we will eat this for lunch. It's in your name, in your name, in your name, in your name, in your name. It's been a while. Now we have new video. Are you excited? Master Chef. Master Chef. Master Chef.
Wow!
More garlics. Remove this one. This time I'm roasting later. Who makes a voodoo pie? Okay. So, see you later. Bye. Push.
Wow!
I didn't show you how I tied it up because struggle is real. Cook the rice, boil the vegetables, and cook the papa. Welcome back. Late na, no? Late na. Hey, who managed me? In English, we are done. I'm done.
Yeah. Come on, hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Cute, yo. No, Lazarus.
This is the award of the after the Halloween night event. Kaon eh. Ako, amigo.
Kinambot mo yun. Mag-hugal ka mo.
Asawan ginamos, asawan halang. Kaon na ding.
Yeah. Come on, hey, this that new, you know what I'm talking about. Cute, yo. No, Lazarus. Come on.
From the street to the club, let's get it. From the islands in the Pacific, red ribbon, cake, let's get it. Boom, about get low if you with it. Yeah, now gather round, up and down, in and out. It don't matter where you are, I'm feeling like an all-star.
Sumaya. Sumaya.
Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Bulldogs, 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 bulldogs.
This that new move, DJ Love Groove. Yeah, we do it in chinelas, we don't need no shoes. Butterfly, spider, monkey, make your own style. We don't care what people say, we still smile. It's everywhere now, starting that and dive out. Commerce boys, make some noise on my panoise.
Sumayao, Sumayao,
Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up.
Bulldogs, 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 bulldogs. I might do it on top of.
ako sa kung soon ko na barbecue house sa Davao City. Sa Buhangin.